Hi, my name is Robert. This video demonstrates how to establish IPSec VPN connection via IPv6 address. This is the test topology. Router A and router B use wireless WAN for internet connection, and they both assign IPv6 address. 0.1/24 subnet mask is router A's LAN interface IP address, and this laptop is connected to router A's LAN interface. Router B LAN interface IP is 10.1. This is the IP address of router B's LAN interface. The target is router A and router B establish VPN connection via IPv6 address to realize side-to-side accessing, which means router A subnet can access router B's subnet each other through IPSec VPN connection. Laptop would be able to access remote IP, this IP 10.1/28 subnet max. These are the two routers for demo. They already been installed IPv6 firmware and the SIM card assigned IPv6 address. The laptop is connected to this router A. This is the local IP address of router A, the LAN interface. This is the router B LAN interface IP address. Subnet max is 28. Okay, let's start to set up IPSec VPN. First, let's configure peer's IPv6 address. On router A, we configure the IP address of router B and define intrastate traffic accordingly. The local subnet is 0.0/24. Router B's subnet max is 28. IPv6 address is from wireless 1 to, so we need to find the corresponding interface. Here we use pre-share key for authentication and configure the rest of settings. Submit and save the settings. And then configure router B IPSec. Configure router A's IPv6 address. Define the intrastate traffic. Find the corresponding interface. Submit and save the settings. Check the status. The VPN is connected. And then let's have a test. The side-to-side test. On router A to see if it can access a remote site LAN interface. It is pingable. This laptop is connected to router A, so let's test, see if it can access router-based LAN interface. It's working. Thanks for watching. See you next time.